in the matrix game of life. Your frequency vibration determines what dimensional plane you are on, and your choices determine what vibrational level you are at, so you don't have to travel to a different location physically. With the questions you've been holding, like, share, and subscribe to continue this exploration. The illusion is the belief that an external method is required when the only key has ever been an internal shift of your state of mind. By integrating these differences, the art of conscious creation is demystified. I invite you to share in the comments section a significant shift in your own state of perception. When the differences of timelines, dimensions, frequency levels, and realms are made clear, creative authority is restored. To glitch reality is to consciously select a new timeline. To see beyond the physical is to attune your consciousness to a different realm. To break a cycle is to remember that dimensions are the framework, while the observer consciousness itself is unbound. You are the awareness in which all experiences arise and dissolve. I also recommend using your intent verbally out loud to revoke all soul contracts, entity attachments, etheric attachments on all timelines, dimensions, realms, worlds, and games, past, present, and future. And stay in your now moment. To continue this exploration of consciousness, subscribe and enable notifications at Alchemist of Fire and Ice for more on these topics. To affirm this inner standing, you are invited to share the statement, "I am the observer," in the comments below. Until the next moment, remain curious and free and stay wild. Abundance, health, joy, prosperity, and good times for you. And if you benefit from this insightful wisdom, you can say thank you via gift via PayPal with a one-time gift, or you can check out my Ko-Fi.com page and see what I'm up to. I can see that higher timeline now.